today we're going to be installing some under the hood glow. What that is, if you're not familiar, it's where you got some like underbody neon lights, but they're in your engine bay. Dresses up the engine a little bit more, and it can even shine through your grill. Get into it. So I got this jumbled mess of these neon lights here. Let's hope none of them are red. All right, so let's get them wired together here. We got green, ladies and gentlemen. No red. Let's go. All right, so River's joined the party.
Yeah.
Of the green light installation.
Yep. So we got 2 green lights. Dad did find a red light, but we don't want to use red. We're not making a Christmas tree, right, Daddy?
No Christmas tree.
It's not Christmas.
We're keeping it cool.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw that one work, but this one also works right there. It's like kind of like smushed by these.
So your black is your ground, so you want to have it grounded out somewhere. And you can see here there's already a ground. That's going to be the ground where this is going to go to.
Which is going to make the lights pop, right?
It's going to, so they can light up, yeah.
So that's how you're going to do it. So right here, see this is already ground. It goes down into this. And it's going to go through all this electric stuff and go to that light over there and this light down here.
Well, River done took off on me. He abandoned my party of the glow. His friend came over to play, so let him be a kid. He's got plenty of time to learn the car ways. So we're going to finish getting this hooked up. I'm going to get her done quick because dinner's approaching, and that's one thing you can't call me is late for dinner.
You know, I got to eat.
We'll get back to you when it's all finished. Lighten up. I'm going to come out when it's darker out, and hopefully we can get some shine coming through here, and we'll show you the engine bay lit up. All right, so it's morning, and I'm getting ready to take off for work. So let's check out the grill light before I leave. Yep, you can see it kind of glowing already.